Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Triple B Collectibles. Triple B Collectibles is currently 9:47 p.m. It is January 16th, 2020, year of our Lord. We have a 2021 Upper Deck Synergy 5-box, 10 spots, 3 random teams. Each New York Rangers are going to be the random spot. $50 a spot. It's out of stock. This box break was also hooked to giveaway number 9 now. We have a new giveaway up in the store. So giveaway number 8 is done and gone. Congratulations to Dave N. He got himself a nice card. And giveaway number 9 is going to have some money and some spots and some fun stuff. And you'll have to come back tomorrow and check it out. Here's our list. Merv 7676, Cal Bro, Claude P, DNR, Cal Bro, Merv 7676, Cal Bro, and Claude P again, DNR, Cal Bro, DNR, Merv 7676, Cal Bro, Claude P, DNR, and Cal Bro, down to the wild card. Here's what we got. Boom. Boom, did boom, boom, boom. All right, first of all, we're going to take these names, we're going to put them over here, and we're going to, oh, sure you are. Sure you are. What happened there, Bergie? Well, you clicked on the one and copied his one name, and that was it. That's all you get. That's all she wrote. Well, let's take that out of there. Let's go to the list randomizer. Refresh that like that so it's a new list. Boom. Calbro, you're in the very bottom, all the way to Merv 7676. I'm going to roll the dice. Threes and snake eyes and threes I do not accept 9 times again. Same as last one. The omen is in. 1. Good luck, everybody. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the final on the 9th time, who is in the top spot, and it is DNR, and DNR, ooh, this might be good for DNR, huh? Could the mojo be coming back here, All right, so I'm going to put that right there. I'm going to grab these guys here like this. Oh, down to them, not those Rangers. Somebody's still going to win those Rangers. New list randomizer right there. Boom. Jets up to the Ducks. 9 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the final 9th time. Who's got the number 1 spot? What lands where? Florida Panthers in 1. Oh. Nah. Vegas Golden Knights in 30, though. That ain't bad. That ain't bad. All right. Vegas Golden Knights is a nice team to have in the box break. All right, let's go check it out. DNR, you got the Florida Panthers. Calbro, you got the Wild, the Chicago Blackhawks, the Sharks, and the Lightning. Good gosh, you just ended it on the same spot. Boom, 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 boom. DNR, you got the Penguins. Calbro with the Oilers. Merv 7676, Columbus Blue Jackets. Avalanche is Merv 7676. DNR Senators, Merv 76 with the Flyers. Calbro with the Devils, the Islanders, and the Maple Leafs. What did it do to you? It clumped you together like a crazy clumper. With the Maple Leafs, nice team to have. DNR with the Hurricanes. Calbro with the Predators. Claude P with the Caps. Merv with the Bruins. Claude P with the Stars. DNR with the Coyotes. Claude P with the Kings and the Canadians. Merv with the Sabres. Flames are going to Merv. Calbro got the Vancouver Canucks. Claude P, you got the Jets, the Blues. Calbro last spot with the Detroit Red Wings. Calbro with the Anaheim Ducks. And DNR with those Vegas Golden Knights. Now, we're going to take this team down here. You see at the very bottom. I'm going to take all your names. This is why I didn't copy over these names. I'm going to take them exactly like this. I'm going to go over to my 3rd list, which says, hey, Mapper, list randomizer. And I'm going to put it in here, and we're going to go 9 times, just like we did last time. Rolled at the same time. Customer that ends in the top spot, 1, wins the card, or wins the team. 2, 9 times. 3, Merv. 4, DNR. 5, DNR. 6, Merv. Oh, did I click it? 7, Calbro. 8, Merv. 9th and final time, top spot wins the Rangers. Merv 7676 won. There you go, Merv. You have the New York Rangers. Congratulations. So I'm just going to come over here like that, go like this, grab that, copy that, go like that. We're going to make this into a 12 and bulge you out like that. I believe it's 12, isn't it? Why did it go so small? 12. There we go. All right, and I'm just going to take this list and sort it. Damn, Murphy, you're lucky with me. No wonder he comes around. Merv's has the Rangers a lot. If he ain't buying them, he's winning them. Jeez, crazy. Congratulations, though. You know, it's awesome for you. Everybody else is kind of like, ah. All right, so that's that. That's that. We'll save that. We'll go over here, and I believe that's where I'm done now. So I just got to print my list out here real quick. Print this out, get that folded in half, and we are going to be off to the races. Hey, get over there, print that. Come back over here, go over to there. And we'll show that there on the bottom. Like that. There you go. Oh. The wheel's breaking on my chair. A big fat ass. 253 pounds. You're a load. Went to the doctor today and they're like, dude, you gained 7 pounds. I'm like, yeah, well, I've been laying around sick. What do you expect me to do? Lose weight? Yeah, you're sick. Yeah, sure. All right. No, I'm not taking my time. I got to get a couple things here. I need at least 25. At least 25 top loaders. Oh man, it's gonna be fun. This is the other half of this inner case, man. The first inner was kind of like blah. You know, it was like a little bit. I mean, it was all right. Nothing to write home to grandma about, you know. No big autographs in it. Kind of just, you know, hey, we're here. Yeah, thanks for buying, you know, kind of thing. Now, the second half, if you bought into the second half, which a lot of you guys did, whew, let's go get her done. Let's see what we get. Good luck. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this on a little differently than I did the first one. I'm going to just do the first box a little different. I'm going to pull it like that. Take this here. Get that over there. Show you here. So this is break 12. That's the number for first box. And I'm going to put that box over there. And what I'm thinking of doing is just kind of taking these packs. I'm just going to take them and lay them down. I do show you all the cards, so and I should probably put the acetate one up to the top, or you know, the one that's the base card instead of the Journey one on the back end. But go like that. All right, here we go. And then we're just going to take each card and look at each card. Rasmus Dahlin, base card, Buffalo Sabres. Put the base over there. Here's our first number card. Jack Eichel, Buffalo Sabres. Well, that pack had 2 Buffaloes in it. So, and this way you can kind of know what the packs were also, because I opened up from the top to the bottom. So, Buffalo Sabres, Murph 7676, number card. And we're going to put the number cards over here. And here is our Brady Tkachuk synergy of the Roaring 20s. Oh, this guy's a lot. Eddie Cheevers. Gary Cheevers, I mean. Eddie Cheevers. Gary Cheevers, Boston, base card. Number card, exceptional. Nick Schmaltz, 99 out of 749. One of these will get the jersey number, huh? What do you think? Arizona Coyotes. Here is a Michael Del Pito. Nice card. Vancouver Canucks, 77 out of 999. Canucks. That would be Cal Bro. Arizona Coyotes, by the way, is DNR. Sorry about that. I usually try to say everybody's name at least a couple times. Ryan Burke, rookie card, Arizona. rookie card goes over there, non-numbered. A acetate, Victor Soderstrom, 704 out of 749. Arizona Coyotes. Ooh, Arizona again. Wow, DNR. Constant Threats, Thomas Hurdle, the Turtle, San Jose Sharks. Base card, or parallel. And another Thomas Hurdle rookie card. Dallas. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Sorry. My brain went to blah, blah, Thomas Harley. Like, no, Bergie, no. Sorry. Brain went dumb. Like I said, it's a little tired. Whoa. We got a Carey Price acetate. Kind of, well, no, it's a silver, man. Wow, 6 out of 21 Montreal Canadiens. That is a sticker auto, though. Sticker auto synergy. Ah, Montreal Canadiens. Wow, first box. Well, there's one right there. 50-pointer. Montreal was Claude P. There you go, Claude. 6 out of 21. His jersey's 31, isn't it? Nice hit. Next card is Sidney Crosby, 122 out of 799, Stanley Cup Journey. Penguins. Leon Draisaitl, Penguins, by the way. Oh, DNR. Leon Draisaitl, Edmonton Oilers. Calbro. Alexis Lafreniere for the New York Rangers. Violet. 286 out of 349. Merv 76. You got all my Ranger cards this year, dude. You snapping, cracking, jacking. You are the man. I'm just gonna go like this real quick. Well, actually, you know what? I got a touch here. I got a one touch for you. Hang on a second. There he is. Let's see how well he's doing, though. He didn't do too well last game. First game of the season. But there you go. 286 out of 349. And number 13, Alexis Lafreniere. Boom. Here's your card. Tyler Seguin, perennial All-Stars. Joseph Wall, rookie card, Toronto Maple Leafs. Columbus Blue Jackets, Liam Founday, 39 out of 749, Columbus acetate. Jordan Binnington, Blues, 581 out of 999. St. Louis, Claude P. Next card is a Victor Soderstrom for the Coyotes, rookie card. And Vancouver Canucks, Brock Beauzier, 664 out of 749. FX. David Pastrnak, Roaring 20s, Boston Bruins. Evgeny Malkin, base card, Pittsburgh. 6 out of 449. Wow, really low number. Ty Deladandria, I believe. Dallas Stars, Claude P. And the last card in that box was a 802 out of 899, Mikey Anderson, rookie synergy. Little silver base. All right, so we'll put those two cards back there like that, and off and away we go into the next box. Merv, I see that you said, is the corner good? Was that a question about that card, or that the Alexis Lafreniere? Sorry, Cal Bro, I didn't say the thing about the trades. And usually people don't trade. Okay, let me look at it, really. Well, that would be out of that box number, so... If it's that left, that right corner, it could be. The other corners look okay. If it's anything, it would be that right corner right there. I'd have to take a magnifying glass to it to see. So, it looks okay, though. It looks okay. But if it's all busted apart... You know the shtick. He's like, yeah, great. Thanks. Oh, some have big cracks in me. Cracks in. Oh, wow. That would really suck. Yeah, no, it doesn't have a crack in it. So, I mean, not that I can see. And I've got the light shining from this way at me towards that card. So, it doesn't look like it's chipped or cracked or... So, that might be a really nice looking card. So... Feels like a metal card. Yep, we got a metal card coming in this pack. So that other package just popped. There's some kind of a metal card. Whew. That means they were pulled out of the dryer too quick. They got cracks in them. Or they dried too long. What did you do to my card? Damn you. All right. I'll flip them over, and here we go. Good luck. Second box. Peter Bondra, Washington Capitals, base card. Yeah, I'm not going to sleeve these up. I'm just going to sleeve these ones. Dylan Larkin, 26 out of 749, Detroit Red Wings FX. A Sebastian Aho, Carolina Hurricanes. Brad Machard, Boston, base. And exceptional young star, 177 out of 499, David Pastrnak, Boston Bruins, Merv 7676, acetate. FX, 629 out of 749, Thomas Hertl, my friend the Turtle. I love him like a squirrel. San Jose Sharks. Next card is Mikael Brendan. Rookie card. Winnipeg Jets, Claude P. Oh, that top little red penny sleeve didn't want to go. Next one is an exceptional stars of Tuukka Rask, 150 out of 749. Tuukka Rask, Boston, another Boston card. Boston, you're picking it up. Matthew Tkachuk, Roaring 20s, Calgary Flames. Ole. It's Ole Jovelli. Jovelli, rookie card, Vancouver Canucks. Calbro. Boom, there it is. Look at this, Chicago Blackhawks, Patrick Kane. Cast from Greatness, metal card. CG4. Cast for Greatness. That is a violet, non-numbered. Chicago Blackhawks, Cal Bro. Congratulations. Can't bend the corners, but you can if it's metal. Alex Ovechkin. Ooh, 25 out of 899. Kind of smudgy on the old ink there, Alex. Matthew Tkachuk. Base card. And a Vitaly, I cannot say this guy's last name. Kravtsov? 658 out of 749 FX. Rangers. Sidney Crosby, Constant Threats. Penguins. Stuart Skinner. Rookie card for the Oilers. Cal Bro. Acetate. Flyers, Shane Cochier. Oh, that's a low number. 25 out of 999. Whew, that's a real low number. Nothing different with the parallel of the picture, though. Just another number. Flyers, though, that's Merv 7676. Roman Yossi, Nashville Predators, 668 out of 749. Carter Hart. Base card. Flyers. Predators. Who had the Predators? Cal Bro. 159 out of 749. Rookie card. A little Connor Ingram. And the cards so far look pretty damn nice. I mean, there's not really, you know, Shea Weber, defenseman for All-Stars. Montreal Canadiens. And our second to last card, Matthew Barzal. Oh, maybe we got one more. We got two more. Matthew Barzal, Islanders. Yeah, two more. Two acetate cards back to back. 157 out of 749, Taro Teravainen. And Seth Jones, 312 out of 749, Columbus Blue Jackets. Columbus, Merv 7676. All right, we're going to grab the next box in line here. Good luck. Open up the backs. Open up the box. I'll save the box top. Throw that in there. Box number 3 for break number 12 of Synergy. There he is. And Merv, just in case, I'll send you that box topper just in case, so then you can just take a picture of it. Or if they need to have proof and they want you to send it in. But you do have a receipt, so tell them to call me. Call Bergie. Call Trevor B. If something's wrong. But most of the time they take care of you guys. Well, not most of the time. All the time. All the time. Yeah, I think it's going to be good. I think that card should be okay, man. I really do. So, I think it should be good. All right, here we go. Box number 3. Good luck. Gustav Lindstrom, rookie card. Detroit. A Pinky. 58 out of 349. Couldn't even say 349. Mitch Marner. Toronto. Oilers, Connor McDavid. Connor Hellebuck, base card. Jets. And we have ourselves a Leon Draisaitl, 519 out of 749 for the Oilers. Kiefer Bellows, 704 out of 999. My boy Kiefer, Islanders. He's a handsome young man. Alex Ovechkin, base card. Thomas Tatar, 24 out of 449, Montreal Canadiens. Cale Makar, defensive man, Roaring 20s, Colorado. Timothy Legrain, I gotta get this kid's name down. Rookie card, Liljuren. Too many L's for me. Silly me. Acetate, Shane Courtier, 21 out of 21. 101 in somebody's world. That's a silver, baby. That's a silver. That's a nice card. Flyers. Flyers. Oh, double it up, bubble it up. Alexis Lafreniere, 815 out of 899. Boom, boom, bam, bam. There you go. Merv 7676. Another Alexis Lafreniere for Merv. Zoom. Told you he's lucky for me. With me. Alexander Alcleve. 44 out of 349. Peyton Krebs, Vegas Golden Ice. Pink. That's a nice hit for DNR. There you go, DNR. A little Kirby's. Curvage action. Krebs. Artemium Panarin. Rangers. Alexander Yellison. Rookie card. Calgary Flames. A Austin Matthews 442, nice motor, out of 749, even bigger motor. Diesel, Toronto. 537 out of 749, Dallas Stars, John Klingberg. Tyler Bertuzzi, base card. Jake Evans, 223 out of 749. Montreal. Jake the Snake, somebody called him the other day. I was watching the game. Claude Giroux. Flyers. Cool looking cards. I do like that black and white. Every time I look at them, I'm like, dang. Oliver Ekman-Larsson, Arizona Coyotes base card. A William Nylander, 592 out of 749. I believe we got every one of the Toronto Maple Leafs players as a acetate today. Rising stars. Exceptional young stars. And my buddy and your buddy, Martin Brodeur, 495 out of 899. Boom. All right, 2 more boxes to go. Thanks for sticking with me. Thanks for staying up with me. I do have a pre-sale going on right now. The new Artifacts is coming into town on Wednesday. Right there. So we got that up in the store. Doing a little pre-sale. Gonna go $39.95. I'm gonna do the first box a little bit cheaper. It should be $45 a box, or $45 a spot. So, but I'm gonna give it out a little bit. I'm gonna do $39.95. So I got 40 boxes coming in. So first 10 box, 20 box inner case or 20 box master case. We'll work it out. It'll be here on Wednesday afternoon. So I'll be here Wednesday evening between 6 and 9, maybe a little bit earlier because it will be release day. And if we get going on it and get some pre-sales on it, I plan on being on tomorrow night again in the afternoon. And then Monday night, 6 to 9. Tuesday, 6 to 9. Maybe 6 to 10. So we'll have to see. All right, here you go. The Redemption Scratcher. Alexander Barkov, Florida. So that's one of your bounty cards. 551 out of 749. Good luck, by the way. Quinn Hughes, Vancouver Canucks. Oh, sorry. Eric Carlson, All-Stars, Perennial. Victor Hedman, Tampa Bay, base. Exceptional Young Stars, Zach Rowinski, 552 out of 749. Nicholas Bodin, rookie card, 448 out of 999. The Chicago Blackhawks. Get the little NHL thing in the back. That's cool looking. Tyler Benson, rookie card, Edmonton Oilers. Rookie. Acetate, Nikita Kucherov, 332 out of 449. Tampa Bay. Vancouver Canucks, Quinn Hughes, Roaring 20s. Rookie card of Ryan McLeod. Rookie card, numbered 54 out of 99, Gabe Verlande. LA Kings with the auto. LA Kings, Claude P. 54 out of 99. Rookie card of Connor McMichael for the Caps. That's a nice hit. Daryl Sittler for the Toronto Maple Leafs base card. Alex Ovechkin, 143 out of 799, FX card, Washington Capitals. Thrashing around Leon Draisaitl. He's a constant threat. Steven Lorentz, rookie card, Carolina. The Canes. Elias Pettersson, 186 out of 749. Vancouver. The old logo. My favorite logo for Vancouver. Chicago, Jonathan Toews, 540 out of 999. Chicago Blackhawks. Sebastian Aho, base card. Rookie card of Dylan Coghlan, 385 out of 749 for the Vegas Golden Knights. DNR. Mitch Marner. Roaring 20s. Coming down to the last pack, and we have ourselves a Mark Ricci, Pittsburgh Penguins base card. And an exceptional young star, Igor Shesterkin, the Cat. 430 out of 479. Rangers. Last card in that box is a perennial all-star of Patrick Kane. Chicago Blackhawks. Last box, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for buying up the box breaks tonight. Appreciate it. Gave away a cool card to a lucky customer. I'm going to give away some other stuff over the week as we go into the $40 million box break. There you go. Alright, we're going to open up every pack like we did before and lay them down and show you what we got and say yoo-hoo. I got so many, my garbage, my trash can is overflowing with wrappers right now. It's insane. And I'm not staying around to clean up the mess tonight. 10:21 p.m. right now. Oh, I think we got another metal card in there. Man, that felt like a metal card big time. That was a heavy pack. Last box. I like the synergy stuff, man. I don't know why people don't, I mean, the resale value should be all right on it. Base cards, but I like the way it looks. I've always kind of liked the way synergy looks. Except for last year's. Last year's sucked, though. That's not true. I gotta say that. Last year's sucked. I did not like last year's synergy at all. Rookie card. Good luck. Quinley. Gage the Cage Quinley. Rookie card. Vegas Golden Knights. DNR. Coming here with a little pink. 18 out of 349. Still haven't found a true rookie card for me. I mean, a true number. Still haven't pulled one of those. San Jose Sharks. Sharks, Cal Bro. Tyler Benson, Roaring 20s. John Tavares. Base card. Exceptional Stars, Pierre-Luc Dubois, 660 out of 749. Columbus Blue Jackets. Should have the autograph in this box too. So Patrick Kane, 331 out of 899. The Stanley Cup Journey, Chicago Blackhawks. Sidney Crosby, base card, Penguins. Acetate, 245 out of 749. Blake, my friend, you're wheeling down the Wheelers. Blake, take the Wheelers. Winnipeg Jets. Constant Threats, Tampa. Nikita Kucherov. Michael Del Pito, rookie card. Vancouver Canucks. Boom! Greatness. Look at that. Metal card. Matthew Tkachuk. That's got another cool color in it too. CG6. Yeah, CG6. Cast for greatness. That's an awesome looking card. Matthew Tkachuk. Well, we'll just put you back there for right now because I'm out of my 55s. Connor McMichael, Washington Capitals, 247 out of 899. Right on his helmet. Bloop. Sidney Crosby. Another one. Nope, you weren't seeing double. Martin. Twat. 131 out of 749. Colorado. Merv 7676. Merv, you're just killing it in this break. It's getting everybody. It's got the teams. Austin Matthews. Toronto Maple Leafs. Roaring 20s. Max Pacioretty. I call him ready to go. Acetate. Exceptional Futures, 164 out of 749. Nick Robertson for the Toronto Maple Leafs. Tyler Benson, 303 out of 899. Rookie Journey. Jake Evans, rookie, Montreal Canadiens. Coming down, where's that autograph at? 251 out of 749, Brad Machard. Am I going to have to be contacting Upper Deck and tell them I only got 3 autographs in a box? Well, that would be pretty sad. Nathan McKinnon, Colorado Avalanche. I'm going to have to contact Upper Deck. Shit. Billy Smith. I don't see an autograph. There's no autograph. Missing one. Ryan O'Reilly. Only 3 autographs out of those 10 boxes. They gypped us off an autograph. Ryan O'Reilly. You know what? That sucks because Upper Deck did this last time to me to a box too. Andrei Shezhnikov. Right? I got 1 autograph. Carey Price. I got a plate. Oh, I got 2. What am I thinking? I got Gabe. See, I told you I was tired. Wait a minute. I'm like, no, okay, yeah. No, we got 2. Oh, good. Phew, thank God. We got Alexis Lafreniere. 815 out of 999. I was about ready to go off on Upper Deck, you know. 21 out of 21, Shane Courtier. That's a cool looking card. Purple Greatness. Patrick Kane, Greatness. So we got 2 metal cards in that box, in those boxes. So, and then Alexis Lafreniere, and it's looking pretty dang good. So, the only little minor flaws I seen by his right skate, by his left skate, right down there, but I really can't tell. So, but that's it, folks. That's all I have. So, autographs were, Carey Price autograph is worth a couple dollar bills. So, but otherwise, it was all right. Price point wise, we need to maybe adjust that around a little bit. Figure it out. Peace out. God bless. We'll see you on the flip-flop. That's the end of that break. Bye-bye.